Hi, I'm Amy Fothergill. Today I'm going to show you how to make my pizza bread. It's one of my favorite recipes. Here I have some pizza dough that I made with the Steve's pizza crust flour, and I've had it in the fridge for a couple days, and that gives it a nice flavor. If you do make it ahead, make sure it is at room temperature. Another little tip, you can put some oregano in the dough itself if you want to give it that pizza flavor. And then we'll be frying it in the cast iron skillet. The approximate amount of dough that we want is between 75 grams and 80 grams. Another thing I like to use before I get too dirty is I'll take a little bowl and I'll take some of my olive oil. I love having my olive oil in something like this. I can pour it, just makes it a lot easier. And that way if it's sticky, I can just put my fingers in this and then I'm gonna roll it. So if you it's almost as big as my palm, and I'm gonna roll it, and then with the heel of my hand, I'm gonna press out. And notice I'm pressing and pushing out rather than pushing the sides so that it doesn't get too flat. Little flatbreads to a party or make it for your friends. Whenever I've done it, people look at me and they're like, no, this cannot be gluten-free. It's so good. And I'm like, no, I promise it is. Of the sizes, it's about the size of my hand. You don't want them too big because otherwise they'll be too thick and then it might not cook all the way in the middle. So there we go. Let's go and get cooking.